changing out our thermostat. They're all on the low voltage side. I'm going to explain what you'll probably have with newer wires, but like I said, not all houses are the same. This house was built in '75, and I'm not sure if this is the same wiring that was in it, but it is a different color coding system that you'll see. But I'll try to explain it in relation to what you might see on a new house. We'll go over this based on what I have, and then we'll explain how there can be differences. Mine's an older house, so the color coding system's different. So this is a common wire. If your thermostat does not have a battery, this is the power source for it. My yellow goes out to the compressor. My blue goes out to a fan. My white goes out to a furnace. The red would be connected to these different sources to get those to turn on. You don't want to cross the red with the common. You could short out your fuse on your circuit board. So make sure you figure out which one is the common and don't let these cross. So if I take my red and yellow, I'll turn on the compressor. If I take just the red and the blue, I'll turn on the fan. If I take the red with the white, I'll turn on the furnace. Let's do that. These are on the low voltage side, so it's safe for me to touch it. So you're going to hear my compressor kick on. Kind of hard to hear, but I can hear it. Take red and blue. That's the fan. These two together, the white and the red, it's going to kick on the furnace. So you hear the furnace fan. Let me see if I can keep those crossed so that you can see what's happening inside the furnace. There it goes. We're going to have some gas. There we go. I have to have the compressor and, let's see if I can do this, and the fan. I have to have all of those touch for those to work. See if they'll stay together. I may just have to hold it. Most commons that I've seen on wiring diagrams are going to be blue. So I had to be really careful not to cross those. I didn't want to burn out that. My blue serves as a green. And then everything else on mine is, so if you're working on a house, maybe your thermostat quits working or you're waiting on one to arrive, but your AC works, that's how you can keep the AC going while you're working inside of a house trying to flip it until you get all the parts that you need to fix your thermostat or put a new one on. No thermostat control. Like it's just going to stay on until you turn it off. The easiest way to do that is just to unplug it from the wall. You can leave those crossed or even connected and then unplug it from the wall or just turn the breaker off.